So Bamboo recently rolled out two new features on their app, and I'm really excited about them, especially the second feature. The first one is the option for you to basically invest in Nigerian stocks. So stocks that are listed in Nigerian exchange, you can now invest in them. I'm talking Dangote, I'm talking Nestle Nigeria, GT Bank as well, I think BUA as well, a bunch of other Nigerian companies there. So as long as the stocks are listed in the Nigerian stock market, you can invest in them on the Bamboo app. In summary, you can now buy Nigerian stocks on Bamboo app, not just US stocks. And I think it's a really great idea. It's a big step forward because this opens a lot of room for more Nigerians to actually invest and learn about stock trading, because some people are usually scared of invest. When you tell them invest in dollars or invest in a foreign company, they get very somehow about it. But if you already know about MTN, you might be willing to put your money there. So I think it's a great idea. Now the second feature that they rolled out is the option for you to basically invest in T-bills, which is treasury bills. For those of you that don't know what T-bills are, they're basically securities backed by the government. You have like 365 days when you invest, and currently Bamboo is doing it for like $1,000,000. So if you have $1,000,000, that's the least you can invest, and the maturity period is 1 year. There is a page on Cowrywise that basically explains all of this. They have like an entire information on what T-bills are, how to invest in them, and all of that. I'm also going to include a link here in the description of this video for you to check it out on the Bamboo app. Currently, Bamboo is running it in a beta, beta style, where they basically get you to fill a form. I think they have to register you, and then everything just takes off from there. So if they ask you to fill a form, that's fine, that's okay. But just keep in mind that if you're going to be buying T-bills, these government securities, you have to have at least $1,000,000, and the maturity period is 1 year. And in 1 year, you should get like 18% interest also. But from my experience, the way T-bills work, you already have your interest automatically, but you have to wait 1 year. So you probably have more information on it and how it works and stuff. I am going to include the links I mentioned here so you can check it out. Again, both the Nigerian stocks option and the T-bills option, I think they are both great. I think they are really great ideas. One of the questions that a friend of mine asked me was if I was going to invest in any of them. So for the Nigerian stocks, I have my reservations, a lot of them really. If you go on Twitter and you just check Nigerian stocks or something, you'd hear what people are saying about it. So right now, I wouldn't buy Nigerian stocks. It's something that I've even been against for like a very long time. If you've been watching my videos, I'd rather invest in US stocks than Nigerian stocks right now. There have been stories and experiences and like even news of insider trading, like a lot of things that I cannot go into details on in this video because there's really no need. My stance on it is that right now I am not going to buy or invest in Nigerian stocks. Also the whole inflation and the devaluation of Naira, like there's just a lot of things going on in that area, so I wouldn't want to go there. But I wanted to test it still, check it out for you guys, show you guys how it's done and all of that. I did try a couple of times to buy, but the app crashes when I try to click on a Nigerian stock. So I am guessing that Bamboo is working on it. I'm guessing I'm not the only one having this issue. So even with the test, trying to buy it to show you guys how to buy Nigerian stocks on the Bamboo app, I could not do that. So that's that on that. Hopefully they fix it soon so that anyone who wants to invest in Nigerian stocks can go ahead and invest. For the second one, which are T-bills, I'm really not interested at the moment. A lot of my money are already in the US stocks I bought, on the Bamboo app, and I think I'm going to leave it that way for a very long time. For T-bills, it's not really something I'm looking to get into right now. But what I would want to say, or I would say in that regard, is that the interest rate they're offering is actually high, 18% or up to 18%, but let's just assume it's 15%. It's still high. And if you have $1,000,000 and you're really interested in just leaving it there for 1 year, I think you should go for it. But again, I'm not looking to do that right now. I'm going to be dropping more tutorials on how to trade stocks on the Bamboo app. If you have questions for me, please feel free to ask me here in the comments. And don't forget to check the description of this video for more interesting stuff about all of this, because I'm going to be updating the description from time to time. I'll see you guys. Take care. Bye.